what are memory tables and what exactly they are and what's their purpose, how to use them. Let's understand carefully step by step. So, a technique to preload table data into memory by using something called file stream files. What is that? File stream files. I mean, in-memory processing implementation. Main advantage of memory optimized tables: faster indexing, faster access to row level data, row store, faster calculations, aggregations, and DML operations. Steps to implement memory optimized tables. Define a new file group. Enable it for memory optimized tables.